are increasingly becoming a norm in our country. A fire extinguisher cylinder does not operate itself in case of a fire break. Hence, manual cylinders prove to be fail in such situations. Keeping these things in mind, we are manufacturing GFO Automatic Fireball. It is an advanced automatic fire extinguisher ball that automatically activates when it directly comes in contact with fire. Unlike manual cylinders, it does not require any refilling or any maintenance up till its shelf life of 5 years. It is very easy to operate. It should be installed 30 to 50 cm above the electric circuit box. In case of a fire accident at a place where it is not installed, then one has to just roll it down or throw it towards the fire. It helps put off and control the fire at the initial, controlling its rapid spread. It helps save life and valuables. Its weight is not more than 2 kg, making it easy to carry and use. Where can it be used? It can be used at any place where there is risk of a fire accident like hotels, malls, schools, vehicles, factories, home, offices, etc. GFO is made of synthetic chamber, consists of high quality fire extinguisher powder, and tube is installed into the chamber, consists of activating agents. Fire extinguisher powder filled tubes which is wrapped around the chamber in such a way that it covers the maximum area of chamber, and when the fire breaks out it automatically activates within 3 to 5 seconds and extinguish the fire. Why GFO Fireball only? Any age person can use it easily. It is a product 100% made in India and we provide all certifications. GFO Fireball is an eco-friendly product, so it is harmless to human and environment. Use GFO Fireball and save your life and valuables.